Hi students, welcome back to our IT section class. I hope all of you understood the previous chapters. Okay? Fine. Now I am moving to the compound letters and chillaksharangal. Let's start. Okay. When the two letters join, we get compound letters, isn't it? Before typing the compound letters, we should understand the importance of letter D. We must type D between two letters to get the compound letters. Look here. First I type Ka. Ka plus Ka is equal to Ika. So first type K. Then type which letter? D. Again K. We got Ika. Next, Imma. Ma plus Ma, isn't it? First type Ma. Which letter we will use for Ma? C. Then D. Again C. We got Imma. Likewise, we got all compound the letters. Next, we move to another topic, that is chillaksharangal. Here, this key, closed square bracket, is very important. Here, first I type in. How to type in? For that, first type Na. Which letter will we use for type Na? Yes, Shift C. Then type D and closed square bracket. Next, in. First type Na. Which letter will we use for type Na? Yes, V. Then type D and closed square bracket. We got in. Likewise, type O chillakshara. Students, did you understand how to type compound letters and chillaksharangal? Okay. In the next class, I will send the notes of this part. Okay. Thank you.